Barugir Origalia August Falsha Urtlon Caravan. Tonight we look back over some of the singers we've had in the early years of Fela, and we hope you'll enjoy some of the singing. We look forward also to seeing you back again in the year 22, the Kunajay.
Well, so we Mayal Gunda Viota, Multiple Metacaruna Hamal Oran Escunda Viojas, the story of Peter Khan Benny Sferon in a Casson and Toron de Jack Conda Vioj. Herling shot, Faderling Shabin Shaggy Bron Angos Neren Sonny Sangashir Salo Achen Shon Dalomin Es nevado winter, der makul smachinen chukandem vio. Vestan mer sargent ver shajavarol. Marikat me gamadran rudame. Narebim mokdom och skevlanes kardavam agus klaver navaradar esadon skevlan ardame nanering befall esmarach basam Magdol, Abadelen, Sagapalom, Smegolodar Balong, Akmarapashiaro, Lagarti, is a dream of a lodger, Sanctum Cruz of Fogway. Macron within the wall. Ta krukne karon quiver shin sungdol. Ta kares kan kofriam sien beshiri shenen kjol. Ta smeren daver ochri. Agaso halabagabiam ta gennachen bogasliam tiafta ganeram maramol ta pantasviken mekaram sagandevio senirapne halae Escadon fingalariachen me Escoash queen volti yarangaram Gwehilo kamabrom Gwetaga kroken krua Erkurs gaunjavol Gwejagun tanin Lopring Gablochen Opnemo Gwenesli Hernakori Taher Balok Danadole Ach Niskarmochung Genjolet Achondem Wio Neshachon Radin Egyptian Tamakli Tigmol Svaditin Svachetin Shon Gava Martin Gomorron, Apostes Estos Kefes, Maron Gomowinzer, O Tolma Thou Cheerland, Go Conde we all.
The June days pass, but I will always remember the swish of your feet through the grass. Oh, the swish of your feet through the grass, and my bare toes unto your side. When the sunlight left the sallies and the dancing late lies died. Oh, the dancing late lies died. Their dance was merry and gone, and you were a man and I was a boy as we walked into Cavan. We were walking through Cavan, while the field mice sang in the hymn, but they cloaked their song in the silence when I ran to where they been. I ran to where they been. My bare toes noised like guns, and you laughed and called me away with don't frighten the timid ones. Don't frighten the timid ones. And now you have frightened me. I'm always calling your name between the hill and the sea. Oh, between the hill and the sea, and through the quiet town, where they told me they took you away in a coffin of silver and brown, a coffin of silver and brown, where you lay lonely and still. But I know you're out there somewhere between the sea and the hill. So between the sea and the hill, I'll hide in the lushy grass. Where are you? Oh, where are you? I'm waiting until you pass. Waiting until you pass.
Kan ik misje kon ben? Da me fare sagam moish kjarjan dos paper av hagaman bojas skriven in os imam an malwallen avi en glan shejir en jimpi arin en rosta in slagdomer over hemojhan skarlen wahish ba vilam trakter afariger goel menslagt fan Shedurch fara sakelam no be fort buru Abigal na gegwin, Niesh kun bin. Over het bandage, agus wahed bolei, agus akramoner, in aiga kian. Odjes anchi, is I veklisti, ver hae dal sjahund hin. Shilm fein, gur faran meichin, na bakol na gewin, niesh kun bin. Da dor ha bandrum, agus wahed bolei, agus akramoner, in aiga kian. Wil gwadjis gan hui, fakri fola, Sevris yorsha, ze fogum krin. A parlemakre, gan waga wachi, ata idir mami agus inshin drain. Cadring Clacalini, Los Iris Doni, I can turn more ut kun bin. Gumathlon the chackle, K white lamagal, Boyas noche extranjeri, VPS labion is mille falche. Agus mille falchan eg farsig mri. Mar an chilsk, hes lanodur. Inye shivate kahumui fuinten. She arg tagumsa, gon on polos, go mar marisbag, gun bin. Gamar lo Morisberg, gun bin.
Two well-known singers in the Ulster tradition. Joe's dead now, sadly, over a good number of years. And this is a song that was composed by Robbie Burns. It's a love song called Westland Winds. Ye Westland winds and slaughtering guns, that brings autumn's pleasant weather. Them are cocks o' wings on wearing wings amongst the bloomin' heather. Whilst the waving grain wide o'er the plain delights the weary farmer, and the moon shines bright as I move by night to muse upon my charmer. The pheasant it loves the fruitful dales, the plover it loves the mountain, the moorcock it haunts the lovely vales, and the soaring heron the fountain. O'er lofty groves the crushed rose, the path of man for to shun it, the hazel bush o'erhangs the troish, the spreading thorn and the linnet. Thus every kind is pleasure find, the savage and the tender. Some social join, in leagues they combine, some sultry they do wander. But let us drive our gladsome way to view the path of nature, the rustling corn and the lamb newborn, and every happy creature. We'll kindly walk and sweetly talk, whilst the silent moon shines clearly. I'll grasp your waist and I'll fondly press. I'll say to you, I love you dearly. Nocturnal showers to budding flowers, nor autumn to the farmer, so dear to me as you have been. You're my one and only charmer.
Zetechens Aurela Gesawanen Gemnach Asadak Lacherne Nongelachene de Velin Suchrim de Lar Nibona Gavna Etamechine Analondo Vancheshach Nan Senin Glas Achabanyan Abuibach Legodog Magneo Sngama Pene Etnosara Marvichagoni Eshiarolnedi Gesidershed Gamin Shamlashal Achyon Nedor Gawime Nacheskir Meshiare Eraglis Gwinsha Baslatar Stort Malangram Legagonol Nonachamarnebo Achshal Bagyar Sherde Dortmele Shibregoch Margamader Mohilse Anjachudal Tanach Vekan Sheben Abunyan Buibach Chwasedeg Leshan Tartarbal Achachar Degel Oliwished Marjorin Iwisheb Reshamash Ben Lamarech Omarandonach Esbei Mofokri Fanglor Sangabiad Maranoste Achli Gomorme Shem Medolme Eliamichan Yomni Gavracha Enoson Ardri Joren Shebrane Gawin Yabrin Acharin Gloria Nachamor Troe Nachadar
This song is called I've Just Come Over from Erin Shore, and it's a song I got from Sean Corcoran from Drogheda. I've just come over from Erin Shore to see how trade was going here. Like many's the rambling Irishman, I was forced to leave my home. I left my sweet Dungannon boys, where I spent my youthful days, where I whistled, fought and rustled in the county of Tyrone. Now the landlords and the times were bad, to reap the harvest off I went. When I saw my birthplace level sure, I could no longer stay. So with my switch and reaping hook, I gave the sod a farewell look. And I rambled over to Scotland far, to reap and mow the hay. Well, I'd scarcely landed in this place when I found employment there and then, for to reap a field of barley with about a dozen more. There were lads from Leeds and Lancashire, from Birmingham and London town. Oh, but I thought me heart was breaking when I thought on Erin Shore. Then breakfast time came round at last, and every man threw down his hook, for to go up to the barn for to have their morning meal. Well, I had no money, I had no grub, to get them both it was a job. Oh, but I thought it better to work and starve than to rob and go to jail. These thoughts had scarcely touched my brow when the farmer shouted pat loud, "Come on up, lad, and ate your fill, for I know you're far from home, far from your own little shamrock shore. Come eat your fill and say no more, and stay with me a week or two while we're putting in the hay." Now the only housemaid was his niece, a wee Scots lass about 16. She was neat and fair and handsome, and her eyes shone like the stars. Her father was a soldier bold that ever did a rifle hold, but he lost his life's blood fighting in the 1914 war. So it's as we say in Ireland, come gather up and have a dance, and I'll tell her fairy stories of that green isle far away. Then we went and got the old boy's consent, straight to the clergy and we went. And when the sun was shining, boys, sure we were drinking tea. So I think I'll go back to Ireland, I'd like to see the old spot again. For it's now I'll sing the praises of that green isle far away. I'll take my Scots lass along with me, I'll dangle her youngster on my knee. And once a year we'll Scotland see, when we go to mow the hay.
Agus léidir amas dár a caiitiachtarol Gam a réilcí sé geallagíre Tá fáilteir Trail chafair chafanya finsem Ta bralach karach lan an chokrowan No marish ne kraverach Sen rank kisses fine, Sevelan metjanainen valskapon. Jorin ja sevelat skinte, Eskanarlamo atjepog. Na willi garten moid save as a moid and maditem Lang weist ailam sestar Ayawa sport is cold Skacha ballet Berges emar gaweles riota Nora meine mari fin groen fi hoten karujon So o senhor con pana aprire
I'll sing one that I learned from Joe Holmes and then Greg from County Antrim. Money to Molly, I am now going to leave you, and do not be grieved at my going away, for you know very well that... Sorry, I made a mistake. Yeah, I might try again. It's all about said Johnny to Molly, and then she said, and then he said, and you have to know whose turn. I'll try again. Send a Johnny to Molly, I am now going to leave you, and do not be grieved at my going away, for the more we are parted, we'll always be be true-hearted, and my love I'll return in the sweet month of May. Send a Molly to Johnny, oh, I will mourn for you, and I will be grieved at your going away, for you know very well that your absence does grieve me. I'm afraid you might die in some strange country. I'll address myself like a neat little sea boy. In the midst of all dangers, I will stand your friend, and when that the northly cold winds are a-blowing, my dear, I'll be with you to plough the rough main. You're a delicate fingers a rope could not handle. You're a lily white feet, love, or a decks could not stand. And the cold nights of winter, you ne'er could endure them. So stay at home, darling, to the seas do not go. For two little arms round his neck she entwined them, and the tears down her pale cheeks like a fountain's did flow, and her lily white hand she's continually wringing, crying, oh, my beloved, will I ne'er see you more. Come, all you pretty fair maids that's inclined to marry, ne'er place your affections too much upon one, for first they will court you, and then they'll deceive you, and they'll leave you like I'm left to mourn when they're gone.
But it was written by Sean McConaughey, who was known as Phil Anschreiber from Inishbernard, as some people say. Others people say Ogul or Taliban, but he was from that area in this parish. And he wrote a number of songs about his son's drowning. Anthony, his son, got drowned with 3 others, and he wrote this Quino, I suppose. He wrote another Quino that's also in French, and he wrote several of them. He wrote a song or a poem about the great faction fighter Rui O'Cahan as well. But anyhow, this I discovered that this kind of fits the air of Liam O'Reilly, and there's a line in it almost exactly like Liam O'Reilly about Moalak Safin and Nasihar. I think it's in Liam O'Reilly, but in this one it actually names the boat builder, and it curses the boat builder, which was apparently normal at the time, because the boat builder should have known if a boat was ill-fated or not when he took the first sweep with the spoke shave. But depending on how the shavings fell on the ground, if it fell face down, it was ill-fated and would possibly end up in a drowning. If it fell like a boat, you should have. Otherwise, you should have thrown away the timber. You should have thrown away the timber if it fell face down and started from the tree. So that's why they blamed the boat builder. He should have known, supposedly. Anyhow. Sure. Halme morail kagus malinger tam vishna
Oh, Nelly, come away with me beyond the leaf and fern. A rural home I have for you, convenient to Loch Earn. The lark has risen from her nest, and wildflowers scent the air. While resting on this faithful breast, you're free from John Adair. Oh, will he never talk to me of peace or happy home? My parents have been dispossessed this weary world to roam. Sad dreary thoughts appease my mind, I'm almost in despair. From happy homes we now must part, forced out by John Adair. He brought the sheriff to our door unquenched our fire so bright. My aged grandsire is no more, he died that fateful night. My mother weeps her only son, a boy of beauty rare, just 4 months old, so meek and mild, all done by John Adair. For 50 weary years our race have tilled the mountainside, and smooth Glenveig's old rugged paths, and stemmed the Atlantic tide. Full 50 homes lie levelled now, and wild cries rend the air. May 50,000 curses fall on cruel John Adair. A ploughboy poor his grandsire was, and came from Garrinch, supported by the villagers. His mother's name was Trench, but now he's called a gentleman, as you are all aware, and lives near Ballybrutus town. His name is John Adair. A scavenger from the Cara came the spoiler of Glenveigh, this cruel, reckless, worthless man, to swear our lives away. Both judge and jury did confess that perjury was there, but now, thank God, is our conscience safe from cruel John Adair. This couple took one last lingering look, and parted no more to meet. Young Willie lies beyond the seas, without a winding sheet, but Nellie's duty made her stay, her aged parents to care. With broken heart she pines away, her death on John Adair.
Sefegin garret, sefegin mochri, o kehen farfadishin shin tillachis. Oh, I know a story in mochri. Sefader nagaret, sefader mochri, o shined lanen achwa ketudio. Oh, I know a story in mochri. Mashihul meshahergus yul meshihir, ach fiaso galyanov niak mariao. Oh, I know a story in mochri. Sefagin nagarit, sefagin mochri, oh, I did the hasagus rete grimbia. Oh, I know a story in mochri. Sefader nagarit, sefader mochri, o nilen setachagen grim in the bui. Oh, I know a story in mochri. Sefagin nagarit, sefagin mochri, her yachter moale taka kummen we. Oh, Safadir na gared, safadir mochri, tan kakasha at longi in a chibui. Oh, I know a story in mochri. Sefegin so akin si hem mochis. Niakumen balchun swaris marisht. Oh, I know a story in Mochrim. Good morning.
Dulach that disaster. You may hear them speak of Mozambique or of Africa's famine tide, about drought and greed, which few take heed have sapped a continent's pride. And while millions cry, 10,000s die, and our government takes no stand. The tale I tell is of a similar hell that happened in our own land. Early spring in Black 49, the country was under rocks. Day and night, relentless blight to consume pathetic crops. And while cattle and grain were exported to Spain and food lay piled in store, in Mayo South and round about, the people they perished in scores. Crowds were gathered in Louisburg, hoping for some relief. 'Twas said that the poor law guardian could end their piteous grief. Those gentlemen fine were meeting to dine in Delphi 10 miles away. Children, women and men, 600 strong set out on that fateful day. Cross and Law and Queen in full flood, some fell by the riverside, and going along the mountain road, still more collapsed and died. Exhausted and weak, scarcely able to speak, they thronged into Delphi Lodge, and waited in mass for food or a pass to enter the workhouse grounds. But after his meal of wine and veal, the guardian addressed them all, saying there's no food here, and I greatly fear no room within workhouse walls. You'll have to go, hail, rain, or snow, into their home or back. Afraid and dismayed, with despair in their hearts, they set out upon the track. Like harvest sheaves or autumn leaves, they fell dying along the road. As dark grew in, the snow it came down, and the night it was bitter cold. Going along the cliff, the wind it was stiff, driving on the blinding sleet. Hunters were swept into Dulach depths, a horror beyond belief. Next day, relieving officers had a terrible sight in store. There were bodies strewn along the route, littering Dulach shore. Whole families dead for want of being fed, and injustice a crying shame. A forgotten sign to our own time when we witness the very same. From the Sudan to Pakistan, famine victims they wait in need. And a country like ours that's known this curse must surely take a lead. Remember the walk, remember to look, let our banners be unfurled against selfish gain and indifference to pain, but for justice throughout our world. Sinead.
O gwai me shall come with your court, Garani me wa matspe. O heart father daru at my religious kun jay. Shajeru gadne vanwan, naranik manua swanye. O anim gama yur daru am garfaru wal torneye. O kasu du kalin jasok, amakasu shilor koger. Maswaru awan dobri od ni walam bo mor da yurch. O hanik me faru jimor, segmart kan roy gnei. Estoilam garda sen faro gavoder se torneye. O dragur min anur jasok, marlak shi gomor moshkial. Status damagunis mon anitanyeden torchen mei. Atreches anadamogor, castate dalor ganyen. Nara imes konya moronya maharchi mordayem. Nara hech mochander shasombron, shaji priest and oik vanyun. Kahajawing gonya la hola wokas ambron shadin. O the jahabagur yati waroj, es konin shagoni brin. Go es agus rabaler bort, snili the walking fin. Naragway marjus jagatinoy, ba jagalyor motsi. Erojus go jaku and lors komoni anoik vanjim. Naraflar michkani marbagor, dert mashagar dun shul. Ashadur chibi hasagayol, snili the walking fin. On your Roma, what the gayol, garoni pisa kanti. Figadenya sojugan agon la kamrua portangis. Vibataje farshingalor, skarmorano suchir. Adanol echegalani honne, parastamas karayil.
I have traveled in exile, made cold-hearted strangers, far, far from my home and the beautifully. I have struggled alone through all sorrows and dangers. I braved every sorrow by hand and sea. Through Colombia's wild forests, or Indiana's spicy bowers, or the great foreign rivers, whose sands are of gold. I have sighed for thee still, mid the birds and the flowers. I love you and will tell this heart will grow cold. I have roamed with fair maidens, with dark glowing tresses, and beautiful eyes that look kindly on me. But I thought what regret, not the smiles and caresses of a fair-haired young maiden who lives by the lane. I have come back again, but she's not in her bower, and the river flows past with its canting well. That's about the same, you know.